Let me show you doing B minus A stuff when the cases are not same using SAS. So I already have data set in Excel. What I have done, I went ahead and saved as using the correct format which is suitable to my PC like MS-DOS CSV, and I have saved these two data sets like list A and list B here in my PC, list A and list B. And then I went to SAS, selected the folder where I wanted to keep it, and using this button I uploaded the file so that the list A and list B has come here. Now I am running this command file ref file name, and here ref file is essentially this particular file which I have uploaded, list A and list B. And when I'll run this proc import, it will come here as it will create the data set. Now what you need to understand in your case, if at all you are referring to my code, you will definitely have to change this portion because this portion will belong to your library or wherever you have kept this file. If you're using PC SAS, obviously this whole thing will go in a different way, probably CCallan, something like that. Or if you're uploading in the SAS online version, academic version, it will very much, here it will be probably your ID and the way you have created your folder structure. But once you have done it, let me just run it. It will create the list, it will create the table, so you can see it. Let me show you the contents also, which should say there is only one field, which is the email ID. So it is saying there is one variable, 7 observations. Now this is little tricky and you'll find this is happening all the time. So email IDs, and now if you open this data set, again you will find 7 observations. Now why it is happening, let me just show it to you. What I can do here, I can just show you. Let me just show it to you what is happening. By default, this online version, whenever I am uploading, it is just capturing one blank row. I don't know why, but that's okay. We can always manage this. I'll show you how. Here it will not pose any challenge anyway. So then, same way I have taken the list B. Again it is showing you 7 observation, 1 variable, and it is showing you that email ID has come here. Now let me create uppercase email ID in list A and one indicator variable. So let me just run it here. So if you look at, now it has created uppercase email ID and A indicator which has given 1 in each and every observation. I have used upcase command here. Similarly, I'll use the upcase command in list B, table B, and I'll create that list. So you have that uppercase email IDs. Now before merging, you'll have to sort it. So I am sorting data set A and sorting data set B both by up email ID. So both the data set has got sorted. This blank row has come, but that, as I told you, in our case it won't pose any challenge here. Now I want only those which are part of B, and this is fairly easy to do in SAS. What you need to say that when you are merging, if not A and B, means you are saying whatever is part of A, if it is in A, remove it. So you are saying not A, that's fine, and B. So essentially it should be part of B but not part of A. I'm just doing it. You run it See what happens. You got those 4 which you wanted. A indicator is coming missing because A indicator was populated only for population A. So it is definitely B minus A, the yellow portion that you wanted, right? Because whatever was part of A indicator was populated, so it produced those 4 which were supposed to be in your output.